in on planets that were once unreachable dreams. Earth, now an anocient cradle of life, was no longer the center of human civilization. Instead, scattered across the vastness of space, mankind thrived on technological wonders and the secrets of the cosmos. Among the many mysteries of the solar system, the seventh planet from the Sun, Orion, stood out. A massive gas giant, with swirling clouds of iridescent hues, Orion was a beacon of both beauty and danger. The planet was named after the constellation due to its distinctiveness in the night sky, glowing with an eerie, otherworldly light. But Orion was more than just a planet. It was a hub of advanced scientific research and technology. Beneath its turbulent atmosphere lay a sprawling network of floating cities and research stations, suspended in the upper layers of the gas giant by anti-gravitational fields. These cities were home to the greatest minds of humanity, all working on unlocking the secrets of the universe. The discovery. Dr. Ilara Vance, a brilliant astrophysicist, had dedicated her life to studying the anomalies within Orion's atmosphere. For years, she and her team had been collecting data, but something had always eluded them, an unexplained energy source that seemed to pulse from the planet's core. Some believed it to be a natural phenomenon, others speculated it might be an artificial construct left by an ancient civilization. One day, during a routine scan, Ilara's instruments detected a massive spike in the energy readings. It was as if the planet was coming alive. The signals were too regular, too purposeful, to be a natural occurrence. Ilara and her team were perplexed. They decided to launch a series of deep probes into the planet's core to gather more information. The probes sent back data that defied logic. There was a structure deep within Orion's core, a colossal machine that seemed to be powering the planet itself. The implications were staggering. If this machine was indeed of alien origin, it could be the most significant discovery in human history. The awakening. As Ilara and her team analyzed the data, strange occurrences began to take place across the floating cities. The anti-gravity fields started to fluctuate, causing the cities to sway precariously. Communication systems experienced massive interference, and cryptic messages began to appear on every screen in a language no one had seen before. Contact. In a last-ditch effort to prevent disaster, Ilara activated an ancient linguistic program designed to decode extraterrestrial languages. As the program worked furiously, the messages began to take shape. "We are the Orionians," the message read. "We have slept for eons, our world a cradle of knowledge. You who have awakened us must heed our warning. The stars are dying, and with them, all life will perish. The machine within this planet is a key to survival." Ilara was stunned. The Orionians were not just an ancient civilization. They were still alive, preserved within the core of the planet, and they were offering humanity a chance to survive an impending cosmic catastrophe. Desperate to understand what was happening, Ilara ordered a full shutdown of all non-essential systems. But before they could act, the machine deep within Orion's core sent out a massive energy wave, engulfing the entire planet in a shimmering aurora. The wave disrupted everything, causing the cities to lose altitude and plummet toward the crushing depths of the gas giant, the Alliance. With the help of the Orionians, Ilara and her team began to stabilize the floating cities and restore communications. The Orionians shared their knowledge, advanced technology far beyond human understanding, capable of manipulating space and time. But there was a catch. To fully unlock the power of Orion, humanity needed to prove itself worthy. Epilogue. Orion, once a mysterious and distant planet, had become the salvation of humanity. The alliance with the Orionians marked the beginning of a new era, one where humans and alien beings worked together to explore the farthest reaches of the universe. Dr. Ilara Vance became a legend, her name etched into the annals of history as the woman who bridged the gap between species and saved mankind from extinction. But the story of Orion was far from over. The stars were still dying, and new challenges awaited beyond.